Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbud Sony with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Then click pair new device, and after that, right here at the left headphone, we have a controls here. You need to press and hold control at the middle until you can hear voice prompt Bluetooth pairing. So press and hold on it. Here we go, and now this little light starts flashing and we can see it at the device list. Click on it and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!